Okay, but what if our sketch is color and we want it to stay color? We can use the same strategy with the dodging and burning. So I'm going to go to dodge. I'm going to go to midtones. I'm going to set it to 50% and just see what that gets me. I'm going to go over probably most of the drawing because it needs some lightening. And then I will go to burn, set it to shadows. Maybe I'll bring this up to 15% and just sweep my brush over that. You can see it kind of darkens up the areas again. Go back to dodge, select my highlights, set this lower, maybe 15. It's just about going back and forth in between these different modes. That's too much, so I'm just going to undo it with Control Z and set this maybe to 5 and see if that does. Yeah, so that works better. And I'm just going to keep going around the edges until I get my white point set. And now I can duplicate this and see if one of these blend modes works well. In this instance, I might actually use the black and white. I'll put it in a group and fade that over top of my color sketch. So you can either use an eraser tool. I just pressed E for eraser, making sure that black is in the background, and you can switch these out by pressing X. Then you can erase from some of this layer mask, like so. Maybe you want to brush a little bit back in. So I'm just setting my brush, pressing B for brush, and brushing back in on my layer mask, making sure that I'm on my brush mode. So there I have kind of a nice mixture between black and white and color. If you want all color, you could leave it like this. If you wanted all black and white, I just pressed shift click onto my layer mask and it's all black and white. So that's one really quick way to clean up a sketch that's unequally lit.